Hi and welcome back. Today I'm just going to do a quick update on Zomedica. Ticker symbol is ZOM. But before I continue on, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started a Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas on how we can grow our accounts together. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If that is something you are interested in, check out my link down below. So Zomedica closed at 209, and let's just take a quick look at this 6 months daily chart. So we started to pick up volume back in January, and it was just trading in this range from 0.85 to $1.25 before breaking above, going all the way to 291. So we did try to break this resistance here, but couldn't. And then we fell down, and now we're in this range from 175 and 212. See how many times it hit 212? That is acting as a very strong resistance. Once we can break through that $2.12 resistance, we can go higher from here. So let's take a quick look at the news that came out just recently. So if you don't already know what this company does, they are a veterinary health company creating point-of-care diagnostics products for dogs and cats. They announced that it has affected the exchange of all of its outstanding Series 1 preferred shares for its common shares, and it continues to progress with its planned commercialization of its TRUFORMA platform. So it says effective March 7th, Zomedica completed the exchange of all 12 of its outstanding Series 1 preferred shares. CEO Robin Cohen, he stated, "As you know, since our fundraising round in July of 2020, we have wanted to rationalize the preferred shares. Due to the terms of these shares, they are considered to be a determinant of Zomedica, its future growth, and the interest of our common shareholders. For historical reasons, although the company received $12 million in exchange for the preferred shares were entitled to a $108 million liquidation preference and a 9% royalty on the net sales of Zomedica and its affiliates. The exchange of the preferred shares for common shares eliminates this potential detrimental effect, results in a clean balance sheet for the company, and removes what was, in our opinion, a potential overhang on the common shareholders. We are appreciative that Wakefield Bridge Fund holders of the preferred shares agreed with us that the elimination of the punitive terms of the preferred shares was in the best interest of their shareholders." And then they also have the first group of direct Zomedica field personnel have completed their training in anticipation of the commercial release of TRUFORMA. So their TRUFORMA is going to come out end of this month. So it is protected by approximately 70 issued and pending patents. The TRUFORMA diagnostic platform uses bulk acoustic wave technology developed by Quovo to provide a non-optical and fluorescent-free detection system for use at the point of care. Bulk acoustic wave technology is used in cell phones and in the world's most advanced radar and communication systems, is an extremely reliable and precise technology. I do believe that once we get closer to commercialization, this stock can easily go back up to 291 or higher. But once the release of TRUFORMA comes out, there might be a sell-off just because there's no more catalyst after that other than how well TRUFORMA performs or how well it sells. Just be aware of that. But right now it is a good time because it is still around the $2 mark. We do have 3,000 shares at $1.61. I actually got in back in January at 82 cents, and I just averaged up, and I sold some shares around the $2 range, and then I rebought back when it was $2.50 and another 500 at $1.92. So I like to average up or average down depending on how well the stock is doing. But for me, I will probably trim half of my shares after the release of TRUFORMA because I just don't know how people will react to that. This stock can reach $10 if TRUFORMA is successful. So that's why I want to just only trim off half and keep the rest for long term. Before buying any type of securities, please conduct your own due diligence. So let's take a look at another stock, and that is Sundial. Sundial went up 17% today. It closed at $1.39, and we can see that it is trying to stay above this 137 resistance that I have here. So they are going to announce fourth quarter results on March 17th. So that is definitely something to look forward to. I do feel this is a good price point to get in at, especially that it's under 150. And what you guys can consider is selling cash secure puts and possibly getting in at a lower cost. So what you can do is you can go to the options tab. What I'm using is Thinkorswim, but you can do this on any type of brokerage that you have. And we want to be selling cash secure puts because the IV right now is above 100. It's at 224%. And when you sell cash secure puts, you're actually getting money up front. Let's just take a look and see what we have. Since March 12th is in 3 days, we won't get that much of a premium. So what we can do, we can go to 19th March. So let's say you want to buy Sundial at $1. You can receive roughly $6-7 possibly. But all you need to put up is the collateral, which is only $100. So you would just multiply 100, since there's 100 shares times your strike price, which is 1, that gives you $100. And you would collect, like I said, $5-6 depending on your brokerage. So for this one, I can possibly get at least $8. And after commission, I get $7.35. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, but you're only putting up $100. And what you can do with this money now, you can actually buy shares with it. So you can possibly buy 5 or 6 shares depending on the price that day. Or you can actually treat yourself to a meal. That's all I have for you guys. Let me know if you're holding on to either Sundial or Zomedica. And do consider joining the Patreon page. We're looking for like-minded people to grow our accounts together. On page. Share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.